Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. Guys and gals, we got a huge video to talk about, guys, and I'm feeling the energy. You should be feeling the energy. Hopefully you went back and watched my previous video, Doge doing good only every day, guys. Woo! That was a great video, guys. Remember, everything you see in this video is absolutely not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house expressing his opinions, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So guys and gals, we got lots to talk about. Looks like Dogecoin has broken down below our support level. And what does that mean for Doge? We're going to be jumping into that. I'm also going to talk to you about Bitcoin, where I think Bitcoin is going to go in the short term and the long term. I'm also going to give you my 2022 cryptocurrency predictions in the house, guys, so you're going to love it. Make sure you're watching this video absolutely to the end, guys. And it's my day off here, hence the crazy hairdo, guys, and it is a huge time to be alive. We spent most of the day yesterday preparing the video the previous video, so go back and watch that. It's a real tear jerker, guys, and don't forget to have your tissues ready for that one, because it is a huge emotional video, guys, so go back and watch that. I just want to say God bless and thank you all out there for supporting the channel, supporting for the OG, and let's get into the content without any further delay in the house, guys. It's an absolutely great time to be alive. So also, happy Chinese New Year, everybody. It looks like we got the year of the tiger coming in tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is the Chinese New Year, and that is going to go on for 5 to 6 days, depending on what country you're in. So that is one of the reasons why we're seeing that the volumes are going to be light right now, and a lot of the traders in Asia, like China, Vietnam, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, wherever you guys are, there's going to be limited or lower volumes out there. So one of the reasons that we're seeing this whole relentless kind of sideways action for Bitcoin and most of the cryptos right now is because, as you know, when China banned cryptos recently and really cracked down on it, we saw that Hubei and a lot of exchanges out there had to close down. So you saw a lot of liquidity flow out of Bitcoin from the Chinese perspective. So that is one of the reasons why we're here right now. So that is one of the key factors why we're seeing Bitcoin and all cryptos going range bound in the house, guys. So that is a great time to be alive. So if we look at the pre-markets right now, the pre-markets are looking okay. We got the Dow Jones is slightly down right now, but we're seeing that the S&P is looking pretty. It's looking green, guys. It's looking green. Also, it has a huge announcement coming on the 9th of February, guys. So you have to keep your eyes on that date, because depending on how these announcements come, if it's positive or negative, that is definitely going to impact not only the broader markets, but it's also going to impact the crypto markets, guys. So right now, if you look at the heat map in the house right now, let me just stop. All these ads everywhere. It's one of the things that irritate me about the internet is all these ads, guys. Don't you get tired of the ads? They just seem to be like unstoppable out there. Ads everywhere. So right now we're seeing BTC down, we're seeing Ethereum down, Solana, BNB. So we're seeing pretty much everything is down, down right now. And we're seeing that right now the overall markets are down around about 3.4%. So that is not good in the house. But from that perspective, we're still seeing that the total volumes out there are not looking so bad. The total volume is around the total market cap out there is about 1.72 trillion. And that's where we have been. We've been there for quite a long time, completely range bound. But we're seeing that the volumes right now are super duper light, because the Asian markets are basically not plugged in right now. They're with family, they're with friends, and we're seeing Bitcoin dollars is going up, guys. So basically, the only thing that's going to be driving much of the crypto market right now is going to be the European and North American markets, guys, the Indian markets and Middle Eastern markets. So that is where we're going to see all of the volume coming from. We're not going to see too much volume coming from Asia, guys. So just keep that in mind. But still, we're at 1.72 trillion, and we've just been kind of range bound between like 168 and 174. So it's not over, guys. Do not panic in the house. We're seeing right now that yesterday we had gone from extreme fear to fear 29. But, because Bitcoin went down again, and also one of the reasons that we're seeing this volatility is because we have very light volumes right now, because the Asian markets are basically it's holiday time, guys. It's a huge holiday for everybody out there, and you guys just do not know how important that this whole Chinese New Year thing is. In Vietnam, it's like, it's like 5 or 6 days, but this will just go on and lead up to that. So it's a huge holiday out here in Asia, guys. So basically, we're extreme fear, and we're going to talk about how Dogecoin has broken down from its key support levels. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. Also, going to talk about Shiba Inu, and we're also going to talk about Bitcoin. And I have some huge positive news for Bitcoin right now, guys. So this is what US dollar is currently worth. It's worth 2,691 satoshis, and you guys can see that it's down 74% from 2 years ago, meaning that the value of the dollar right now compared to Bitcoin, I mean, day by day, second by second, the dollar as it's related to Bitcoin is becoming less valuable, guys, and that is why Bitcoin is a huge hedge against inflation. I mean, right now compared to 4 years ago, what the amount of satoshis that you could buy with a dollar is down 72%. So absolutely, the dollar is a hedge against inflation. So we got some huge news coming in on the 10th of February, guys. You guys have to keep this in mind, that we have the huge federal budget that is coming out on the 2nd of on the 10th of February, and that's going to be delivered at around 2 p.m. So that is going to cause a lot of pressure on the crypto markets, a lot of pressure on the broader market. So we need to see how that is going to react, guys. So last year is 1.6 billion. Let's see what it is this year. Also, we got the core CPI coming out as well. Previously, it's 5.5%. So hopefully, absolutely, we're going to see the CPI data absolutely going down. We also got the consumer price index as well that's coming. It's 7.1% last month. So let's see what this month has to hold. I think it's going to be going down, down. So that's going to put some pressure on the markets, guys. So let's jump into some newsy woozy. So the top 10 most mentioned coins on Twitter right now. We got BTC, of course, Ethereum, Cardano, Litecoin, DigiByteCoin. What is a DigiByteCoin? I have no idea. Is that some kind of token that bites you? The DigiByteCoin's coming. It sounds, I don't know, Digibyte sounds like a game or something, right? We see Terra Luna, Wax is out there as well, and we're seeing a Phantom and Solana and Shiba Inu. Where's the Dogecoin? The Dogecoin's not in the top 10 listing right now, and that is most likely because Dogecoin has broken down below its support level, guys. So we need Elon to come to the rescue, guys. So if Elon, if you're watching this, where are you, brother? We need some rescue. Elon's been tweeting out today, but it's just been kind of like some weird stuff, like some weird stuff. Elon tweeted a happy Chinese New Year thing. Nothing really happening. So this is from Matthew Hayward, and what he's trying to do is he's trying to create a correlation between the NASDAQ pre-dot-com bubble versus the Bitcoin today. So he's saying that we're seeing some huge similarities between the dot-com bubble and where Bitcoin is right now. He's looking at similar time frames, similar fractals, similar corrections, and similar market cap sizes. So if we look at this right now, you guys can see that we're seeing a very similar fractal to the 1997-1990 dot-com bubble. So if this holds true and we do get this huge explosive upside, that will definitely be taking Bitcoin to $140,000 to $200,000. I'm still optimistic. I'm still very optimistic out there that this whole bull cycle has just been extended, and we're seeing that from the halvings out there, that we're seeing that the cycles are getting longer and longer and longer. And as I've said in previous videos, let me just get the hair on my eyes. Do you like this whole casual, messy hair look, guys and gals? Smash the likes, subscribe, EYB if you haven't. Tell me what you think about the hair, guys. Tell me what you're thinking about the hair. You're loving the hair. So, I believe that we are in extended cycles. We have seen ETFs this cycle. We're seeing more institutions aping like Tesla, Grayscale, and all of that. And these billionaires, they're not going to buy Bitcoin for the purpose of losing money. No way, Jose, that's never going to happen, guys. So if this does, NASDAQ.com bubble, if it does, this correlation does happen, it's going to be huge for Bitcoin. We could see a huge pump to the upside, guys. Some more stuff that's coming out right now. This is Phantom, and Phantom, we opened the week at $2.27 and closed at $2.02. So Phantom is down right now around about 11%. So Dragon, if you're in the house, guys, Okay, we're going down. But, you know, for the week, considering that Ethereum is down 50% from its all-time high, and you guys know that because if you guys are holding Ethereum, you guys are like going, what is going on with Ethereum? What is going on with crypto? Why everything is down, down. And the reason I told you why everything is going down, because we had a lot of liquidity from China because they closed a huge amount of exchanges, banned crypto, like seriously banned crypto. It wasn't just like, you know, the repeat of the 2013 thing, the 2017 thing, the 2019. They really did ban crypto in a serious way. So we saw a lot of liquidity flow out of the crypto markets, guys, and that is one of the reasons we're seeing that since the end of December, first week in December, we saw things are going down, guys, and the liquidity is going to come back into the market. That is guaranteed. Remember, January is a Debbie Downer month. We got the Chinese New Year, and typically we see around Chinese New Year, we see a lot of dumpage for crypto. It's traditional because the Asian markets are not there. It's Chinese New Year, guys, and this thing goes on not for in the West where it's like one day. This thing goes on for days and days, guys, and depending on what country you're in, it can drag on for weeks. Okay, guys, so just keep that in mind. So we're seeing that Ethereum is 50% off its all-time. It's amazing how strong Phantom is holding. And also too, the other reason that we're seeing all the cryptos just going range bound right now is because we have all these crypto regulatory fears are in. But this is not just how markets mature. Some people thought KYC was an end tool, right? Oh, KYC is not. It's know your customer, in case you're wondering what that is. And if you're just watching and you're a newbie out there, KYC is the process by which, if you are joining a centralized exchange, you need to, prove your identity, prove your address, prove a source of funds, and all that kind of cool stuff. So that is pretty normal, and KYC is not a big deal if you're a normal person, okay? If you're doing something nefarious, you're gonna worry about it. But we also have decentralized exchanges that also play a part as well. Some other stuff that's coming in right now, and this is from Rutkus in the house, and he's saying it will be important to respect the bear case. In my opinion, you should be careful not to be left behind if the below scenario plays out. And if this is what I will be personally expecting, risk management will be key. Here's what I expect. So basically, Rutkus in the house, and he's being pretty bullish right now. We're seeing what we're seeing happening right now is a bear trap. Okay, it has all the earmarks of a bear trap. We had a whole downside pressure here. We broke out of this descending triangle. We went to the upside right now. People are like bullish. We went up to like 38,000, and then we are taking a dump right now. Taking a dump, you know it. But I believe that we are seeing the perfect bear trap. Don't give up. Don't have paper hands. Do not give up your coins to the whales out there, because we're going up, guys, and we could see, as Rutkus is saying, and I have been saying, that we could see $100,000 to $240,000 an ounce. Kathy Wood is saying that Bitcoin could go up to $1 million, guys. So remember, I have rebalanced my portfolio again today. I rebalanced my portfolio. I picked up some more Ethereum. So right now, my portfolio right now, my personal portfolio is around about 45% is in 45% is in Bitcoin, 22% is in Ethereum, so that's a 40, 50, 60, so about 70% combo, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the rest is in Dogecoin and other altcoins like Layer 1 solutions. I'm holding a lot of Slayer in the house, Layer 1 solutions out there. So, I'm holding all the top Layer 1 solutions plus a ton of Doge, a ton of Ethereum, gaming as well. So I'm really basically, my portfolio is Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the Layer 1 solutions. That's a Polkadot, that's a Phantom, that's Luna, that's Avalanche, right? Matic, Vet, I'm holding a lot of, and then Gala, Sandbox, Engine, and Mana. So that's basically what I'm holding with the Dozier. So that's it, guys. I've kind of pared down my portfolio. I took some profit from some of my old coins that were in profit, and I kind of redistributed them between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Layer 1s and gaming. Dogecoin, I've got 4 million Dogecoin, guys. I've been buying some on the dips, guys, but basically I've got about 4 million Dogecoin, and I bought those at 0.0025, guys, like way down the road, guys. So I'm just holding strong, and I believe that for Dogecoin we could see $3 in 2025. 2025 is going to be huge, guys. So guys, do your own risk management out there. So this is from Steven in the house. Some options and thoughts on Bitcoin right now. He's thinking the mostly bullish option. I also believe, I'm pretty bullish. Wave 4 is a flat pattern, as we can see here. One-to-one relationship between wave A and C. But what he's saying is that to validate this upside, to validate a huge upside break up to the upside to here, we're going to have to see that we need to break out of this yellow area here. And that means we got to see Bitcoin getting up to recover up to $42,000. Okay. If we don't recover up to 42,000, then we could just be going sideways for a very long time. I'm confident that by springtime, we're going to see huge rises for cryptocurrency. We're going to see a huge altcoin season coming in. And I believe that we are going to see a blow off top sometime in spring. So that's why I'm not dumping all of my coins, guys. Normally, as I would get close to the end of the year, I'd be selling a lot, moving cash on the sidelines, and start to buy as we go through this, the bear cycle and consolidation. I don't believe the bear cycle is here. I absolutely don't believe it for altcoins or for Bitcoin. I think that we're in a micro bear cycle wrapped in a bull cycle, and this is all going to play out. And I believe by springtime, those who have diamond hands are going to be rewarded. This is absolutely not financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes in the house, guys. So get it while you can. So this is from Blake. I respect Blake. I have a lot of respect for him. And he's saying, I wonder if Bitcoin is in the middle of a reversal pattern similar to the inverse head and shoulders from November 2019 to January 2020. So he's saying maybe we could be seeing a huge head and shoulder pattern, and we could see that reversal to the upside. And I believe that we will see a reversal, and come springtime, we're going to see a huge reversal in the house, guys. So we're seeing that the leverage traders are kind of nowhere to be found right now, and we only have about $128 million in wreckage out there. So that is not too shabby now. So that is looking pretty good. And most of it is shorts. Shorts are good because that will push up the biddy price, guys. So we're seeing that there's almost not too much trading out there. We got a little bit more. We have a little bit more longs right now. That's as of like right now, guys. We're seeing that we have $45 million worth of longs and $10 million worth of shorts. That's really a nothing burger. If 50 to 60 million, nothing burger, nothing to worry about. Hopefully, the leverage traders are not gonna learn. They're gonna start going nuts and aping into leverage positions, and it's gonna just make it messy for us spot traders. So right now, you guys know that we got the U.S. crypto executive order looms. 5 things to watch. I am not worried about it. Let them regulate crypto. Let it get out of their system. And for me, regulation is good because it means that crypto is becoming on the radar of a lot of governments out there. So it means that it's a revolution, guys. It's a natural evolution of the financial system, and nobody can stop it from coming. So some of the things that we need to be keeping, an eye on. The bears have been hammering down BTC on a weekly close. We know that. But the bears, we're in a bear trap now, and we're going to see a huge reversal to the upside. I wouldn't worry about it too much, guys. The S&P, once we get out of February, it's going to trend to the upside. In March, absolutely, we're going to go up. I wouldn't worry about it too much, guys. Absolutely do not worry about it. Regulation is coming. Get used to it. Digest it. Let the system out there digest the regulation. Get used to it. Once they regulate stuff, then they're going to stop talking about it, and the retail investors are going to come back in because they're nowhere to be found. The retail investors are absolutely hiding under rocks, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price right now. So Bitcoin right now is still above this level, which is at 36,200, which is good because that is reducing the selling pressure. Okay, so right now you can see that a key pivotal point for me is this line in the sand. This white line in the sand is the area at which the miners start to lose money in terms of mining one Bitcoin. Okay, so if Bitcoin breaks down to this area or gets close to it, then we're going to see the miners start to sell their Bitcoin. And if that happens, that will have catastrophic dumpage effects on Bitcoin. Right now, we're completely safe from that. I wouldn't worry about it too much. We're also above this purple line, and that is going to reduce the selling pressure. And we're just gingerly getting rejected by this whole box area, which was huge support for a very long time. And when something is support level for a long time, it's often huge resistance. But I definitely think that Bitcoin is still looking pretty good, guys. We have this parallel channel I've been talking about. I know you're getting tired of it, but the parallel channel is still holding, and it's holding all the way as we go back from January 2021. It held here in May, it held here in June, it held here in July, and it's holding again, guys. It is absolutely holding. So I'm not panicking in the house. If Bitcoin goes below this, the parallel channel, yes, I may worry, but my line in the sand really for Bitcoin is the miner, where this is where the miners start to lose money. And if that happens, they will sell. They're notorious for that. So guys and gals, get ready for it. Dogecoin price analysis. Doge buyers lose key support level. So we need Elon to come to the rescue right now. Under influence of last week's intense sell-off, Doge price gives a bearish breakdown from the extreme support of 0.143. So right now we're seeing that if we look at this, Dogecoin right now is trading at 1378. It's it has gone down, and this was some support level here. We broke down from that uptrending support. We've broken down right now. We could turn, but let's get back into this article, ladies and gentlemen. So right now we're seeing Dogecoin price shows higher price rejection candles at 14 cents. So we're seeing huge resistance at 14 cents. 24-hour trading volume for Dogecoin is around 355 million. So the trading volume is a little bit light for Dogecoin right now, and one of the reasons it's light is because it's Chinese New Year. The volumes are almost non-existent, so we're not going to see much movement happening for the Doji Woji in the house, guys. So some other stuff that's coming in right now, you can see that this is a 200-day moving average, 50-day moving average, and we can see that we have broke down from that. So, in our previous coverage, Dogecoin Tech Classes, CoinGrape warned that regarding a 15% fall if the bears knock out the 16 cent support. So, however, with the swift sell-off during last week's bloodbath, the bulls lost even lower support at 14 cents. So, the 14.3 was a huge support area. We lost that. We went down from that. That is not good. And so, for almost 2 months, Doge price was resonating in a confined range between 19.5 and 14.3. So, here broken down from that level, it's not looking good. With the recent nosedive below the bottom supported technical chart shows that the next support is 9 cents, guys. So we have huge support at around about 9 cents for Dogecoin. Yeah, we got a huge support. I mean, I'm flagging some support at 13 cents as well. Then we got some more support at 10 cents as well. I think it's 10 cents, not 9 cents. That's my technical analysis. So, keep in mind that not everybody's right? So we're seeing that the Doge price experienced pressure above 14 cents. So we need to see Doge get above that. You can see from this whole area here, the Doge time and time again sees a huge pressure zone above 14 cents. So Doge is currently resisting to use flip resistance 14. The buyers struggle to surpass overhead resistance, indicating intense supply pressure from above. If the bears continue to exert selling pressure on Doge, price would drop another 35%, and that would take us down. So right now we're seeing that we have resistance at 14.3 and 16 cents, and we have support levels at 12 and 0.9, as I just told you. I just told you 12 is a huge support level, guys. So you're going to have to keep an eye on the Doji Woji right now, because Doge is not looking very good. We need Doge to get above the 14 cent level. If we don't do that, we're going to have some pain, guys. So we need Doge to get above the 14 cent level. Let me just draw that in for it. Let me draw that in. So we will get there. We will absolutely get there, so do not worry about it. I'm confident. Even if we go down to 9 cents, I'm still going to be buying. I'm still going to be holding. I'm not selling my Doge. And you guys need to understand. You need to have, your coins in what I say into different bags. You have one bag that you're going to hold 5 years. Bang, lock it in there. Another bag of coins that you're going to hold for 1 to 2 years. Lock it in there. Then you're going to have other bags of coins, which are going to be more your speculative stuff, and that you hold from 6 months to a year. All right. So my Doge is in my 5-year bag. My Bitcoin, my Ethereum, and my layer ones are in my 5-year bags. Okay. So that's the way I'm operating. I'm the world's huge hodler out there. I'm not a trader. Remember, I know a lot of you, sometimes you panic sell, and because you see another coin going up while a coin that you bought went down, and you think, well, if I sell it, I'm going to mitigate my losses, and I'm going to put it in that coin that's going up. Yes, you can do that, but can you time the bottoms and can you time the tops? A lot of people try to do it. A lot of people get wrecked. A lot of people lose their shirt. That's why I have seen, and I know from my experience, it's not financial advice, that overall, if you just hold your crypto, even through the bear cycle and the bull cycle, if you just hold long term, this is where you need to zoom out, guys. You need to zoom way out. Wendy, trendy is your friend. Just zoom out, guys. Zoom absolutely out and take a look at the 1 year time frame, and you'll see that the trend is up. And if you see an upward trend, then you know that next year is going to be better than this year, and the year after that, and so forth and so on. And that's how you grow wealth, guys. Also, if you look at this, you can see that the weekly unchanged flow, we're seeing more outflow, net outflow of Bitcoin, seeing more net outflow of Ethereum, and this is positive, guys. As we have more Bitcoin and Ethereum going off exchanges, it means the illiquid supply is going down, and this is positive. And we're seeing a big inflow of 977 million onto exchanges because people are buying the dips, guys. And once Bitcoin takes off and the altcoin season makes some moves, you're going to see a huge explosion, guys. I just think it's going to be going to the upside, guys. Here's Ethereum again, and this has got all my different indicators on. So we're seeing that we have some support around about 24.5. We have overhead resistance at 27. As I said, we're just kind of going in the middle of this channel. That's good. We're getting some huge support here. We're not breaking down, so that is a good news. Bears in the house, guys. So let's take a look at Phantom in the house. So Phantom is also doing the same thing. It's being supported right now at the $1.91. That is a support level right now. We did have this triangle. We were hoping to break out. We did break out to the apex. Typically, this would be an upside, but Bitcoin broke down, and that's why Phantom is going down. Down. Our next resistance level is about 240 in house. Let me just draw that. So hopefully we can get up there. I'm not really panicking because I'm holding Phantom long term. We could see some turbulence. We could see Phantom going below this, and then my next support level for Phantom is about $1.25 in the house, guys. So let's take a look at Solana in house. Solana. So Solana as well is just really range bound between 101. Get my face out of there. Between 101 and 90 in the house. And we're just range bound right now. Absolutely just range bound. That's all I got to say about that. And, it's still holding its own. We got some huge support here at 68. But if we stay in this channel here, we're just going to be fine. We're waiting for a breakout, confirmation breakout the upside, and the only way we're going to see a breakout is if Bitcoin moves. So that is why, and all the altcoins are kind of like bleeding out right now because the Bitcoin DOMs is getting higher and higher and higher in the house. So we need Bitcoin DOMs to come down, down, and if that happens, then things are going to be going okay. So let me just refresh this to make sure we got the right coinage price in the house, guys. So overall, we're still seeing that Bitcoin is up over the last 7 days, so that's fine and dandy. We're seeing Ethereum is up as well over the last 7 days. Bitcoin is at 3,700. It'll probably break down to like 36,900-ish. I'm sure of that. I'm absolutely sure of that. We're seeing ADA is down as well. I'm a buyer at $1. If it goes below $1, I'm going to pick some more of that up. We're seeing that Avalanche as well is up almost 10% for the week. We're seeing that Solana is down, but it's still up over a week. Doge is up over the week, but it is down almost 4%. So you're seeing there's a lot of good opportunities. Look at Luna, guys. Luna, I think, is a good pickup right now. This is not financial advice. It's down. It's just down everywhere. And I think long term, this is a good hold, layer one. We're seeing Polkadot, I think, is also a good pickup as well. Shiba Inu is down as well right now. Is down 6.12%, and it's just neutral over the last 7 days at down 38%. Matic, I think, is also a pretty good pickup right now. So overall, we're seeing that everything is pretty red right now, and that is because of the Chinese New Year. The volume is light, and we're seeing that you know, hopefully that when the U.S. markets open, we're going to see some more movement in the house, guys. So that is what I'm hoping, and that's what you should be hoping too. Guys and gals, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter, guys. We got 3,840. Do go back and watch this video, guys. This is our charity video. Do go watch it. You're going to love it, guys. Love it, love it, love it. You're going to love it. I love it. So why not just, you know, and happy Chinese New Year, guys. Absolutely happy Chinese New Year. That being said, I'm going to end it right here. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe as usual. Don't forget to go down below, guys. And don't forget to, you know, check out all my links. Become a Patreon member. Check out the Wifey channel. You know you want to get it. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the merch. You want the merch. Get the backpack. Get the mug, get all the stuff, guys. And anyways, so happy Chinese New Year, everyone. Be blessed, be well. I love it. You love it. God bless you, guys. See you in the next one. Don't forget to super chats. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out, guys. Go with God. Be with God. Be well. Dogecoin to the moon.